Hi friends, welcome to the final and the third video of this series where we will learn how to upload the Streamlit dashboard that we have created in the previous two lectures on an online platform. Okay, so before uploading, there are some small few things which we are supposed to do. So we will open our VS Code editor, okay, and if you remember, this was our app.py file. This is home, this is page one and page two. Now, if you remember, we during this entire creation process, we installed this Streamlit dynamic filters. We are using pandas, we are using numpy, or whatever the dependency that we have in our existing codes. Now, in order to upload the file, first we need to define what are the dependencies. Okay, so for that, what I have done is we will create a file requirements.txt. Okay, now for now what I'll do is for every file that you have created, just go and see what are the functions that you've imported. For example, import Streamlit. So Streamlit is one dependency. Okay, so just define its Streamlit. Cool. In home.py, again Streamlit was one dependency. We've already defined Streamlit in requirements.txt. Now in page one, we had Streamlit, pandas, numpy, and Streamlit underscore dynamic underscore filters. So pandas, numpy, and Streamlit dynamic filters, these are the dependencies. So just paste it here. Okay, for example, if you are using metavolist, okay, so just type in metavolist here as a dependency in the requirements.txt. That's all I'm supposed to do. I'm basically collecting what are the dependencies in this project that we have created, so that when we will upload on the Streamlit will go through this requirements.txt and will download or will allow these features to get installed in your app automatically. Okay, so this is done. Requirements.txt and put all the dependency that we have right now in this code. Now what I'll do is, if you remember, if you guys have worked in GitHub, that is all fine. For the people who don't have, just create an account on GitHub. Okay, so when you will create an account on GitHub, just log in it, and this is what the page would look like. Okay, this is the first page that would look like to you. Now we are supposed to create a repository in this GitHub. Again, for the people who are very familiar with the GitHub, can directly push the code from VS Code to the GitHub repository. Here what I'll do is I'll upload the file. So I'll create a new repository. I just click on this new. We will supposed to enter some name. Okay, so for example, I'm saying Streamlit underscore one, description, test, dashboard, visibility, it's public. Again, if you're doing for your own organization, so most likely we will keeping it as a private. Okay, if you want to put add readme page, it's all fine. And create a repository. Again, this gitinor and license are different things which we'll talk about. So this is your Streamlit one repository. What I'll do is I'll upload files. Okay, so just uploading an existing file, click here, choose a template. So you can see this was our file, multi-page. Okay, select everything from app to requirements. Okay, and upload it. Now you can see all these files and click on commit changes. Okay, you can also click on any of the file. For example, I'm clicking on app.py. I can basically see the codes here. Requirements.txt, I can see the codes. I can also create a new file. If you click on this, it will ask to input the names of the files, and the same would be reflected here. Okay, so we are actually not creating any new file. We have already done this, so it is all fine. Just again go on the repository. Okay, click here and copy link address. Okay, that is one thing that we have done, that we have created a repository on GitHub and have uploaded the file on Streamlit. Now open this streamlit.io, go to this page cloud, and this is what will open up for you. Okay, now click on join community cloud. Once you will click on it and log in it, this is what it will look like. Okay, Click on this join community cloud, and after login, this is what it will look like to you under my apps. So click on create app, click to deploy from the GitHub. Okay, so now if you remember, we just copied the link here, the same thing I'll paste here. Okay, done. And main file path is app.py. If you remember, the main file was app.py, and we were importing the functions from home, page 1 and page 2 into app.py. Okay, so done everything. We have specified the repository, we have defined what is the main file path, that is app.py, if you remember, and deploy. Don't forget to add requirements.txt. Okay, if you don't add it, then a lot of things might not work for you. it may it may take some time, but have patience, and if your codes are fine and if you are doing as I have told you, it will run out for you. So you can see right now that this was my home page. If you remember, this was a page 1 where I can upload files. It's the same thing. Okay, now if you see, if I click on share, okay, right now it is make this app public. Okay, so if I can copy link, okay, if you can copy link, and if you open it through your maybe the friend's laptop with this link, it will open up for you. What I can do is I can make it as a private, and I can share the mail ID. Okay, for example, if I share it with the mail ID, now one this particular mail ID can open this particular dashboard. And right now your dashboard is live, means anyone from any part of the country or the world can open your app and can view the dashboards that you have created. Okay, and it's the same thing. If you see, it's the same sort of things. Okay, so we have created an app, an online app, or a dashboard in a Streamlit, and which is live and which could be accessed by anyone across any part of the country. So first of all, give a big congratulations to every one of you that you have created an app on Streamlit, okay, a multi-page dashboard, and we have hosted this multi-page dashboard online, and that could be accessed by anyone. And if you think that it's a value addition to your skills and it's a useful video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and watch down also the rest of the videos that I've created on the channel. And looking ahead to meet each and every one of you in the next video. Till then, good luck, and hit some dashboards, create some dashboards. There could be some error, which is all fine. Put in the comments and we will together solve it. Good luck.